this is the look. This is Marshall's Glam. We're gonna call it Marshall's Glam. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Oneida. So I went to Marshall's, I found some goodies, and I wanted to show you guys how they work on my face. And the main star of the show is the Subculture palette. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want some more, follow me on odchic_ on Instagram, and you can find more about me, more on me, more about me. We could just be friends. I just want to be friends. So let's just be friends. Like, comment, subscribe, and kumbaya. Everybody's happy. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Subculture palette. This is what it looks like. Oh, and if I like the results, then great. I got a palette for 20 bucks. There are colors that I do have, but not all in one palette. So. And no matter how many eyeshadow palettes I have, they're never all the same. Trust. Looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. I don't have a great or the best setup yet. So that is why. So I'm just gonna set my lids, and we're gonna get to work. I do want to use these yellows. I like this purple right here. I don't know if I should do green. Maybe I'll do green a different time, but I think I'm gonna do the yellows. So I'm gonna take, okay, the fallout is real. So I just hope I don't make a mess because my sheets are white. So we're just gonna plug this into the crease. I thought this would be a little more brighter. It's more mustardy. This is more of a mustard yellow. And that's the yellow. Now I'm gonna take Edge. So I used this one. Now I'm gonna take Edge. And I'm gonna just see what it does. It has more cooler tones, so we're gonna see what it does, you know? And I don't see much happening, so I'm gonna put it more towards the inner corner. So now we've got two yellows. The color isn't the color that you want. I don't know if that makes sense. But like they kind of change when they hit your skin, as always, but a little more so than average. And this is a Morphe 535 brush. Next, I'm gonna just take the brush that's actually in here. So it's just a dual-ended brush. I think I'm gonna take Fudge. I don't want this to be too dark. I'm gonna take a dab of Fudge, put it in my crease, just very lightly. I think it's the brush. So look, not really blending it as well as I want it to. So I'm gonna take another brush. This is an e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm just gonna take the same thing, just a little, and I'm gonna try the other eye. That did blend better. So the brush that comes in here, I do think that it is taking a lot more blending. So next I'm gonna take All Star, this purple color. I'm gonna put this on my lids. So, oh, it's super rich. So I'm just going back in and kind of like bringing it up as I go up, if that makes sense. Bringing it up to the crease, little by little. And for this, I'm using the other side of the Anastasia brush that came with it. I'm gonna go in with the other brush that has the remnants of Fudge, and I'm just kind of gonna blend this out a bit more. we're gonna make this work. I'm just gonna work with it and make it work. So I'm just going back in with the yellows and really just trying to soften all of that in, and taking the purple and repacking that. Like for some, like my crease isn't like clean. It's like, it looks dirty. I wonder if Marshalls accepts returns. I definitely think like without fudge, I think this would be much better. But like I said, we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it moving. So now I'm just gonna line my eyes. I'm using the Pixie one that I used in my last video. I did a classic wing and red lips for Valentine's Day, but you can wear that any time of day. I think it's just like a classic wing and red lip look, so you guys can just check that out. But I'm just gonna use this, and I'm just gonna do a thin line. So we're not doing a wing, we're not, like, I'm just outlining my eyes first. And then I'll decide, like, the wing. But I don't know if I want a wing. Sometimes I, like, hold my brush different ways. See if I can get better angles. I just kind of, like, extended the ends. I'm not doing a wing, though. Again, this is the Pixie. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I really want to get lash extensions, but I'm kind of scared at the same time because I don't have much, so I feel like I don't want to ruin what I already have or get an allergic reaction. So for falsies, I'm going to use these Lily lashes, and this is in the style, it's in the style London. They look like this. So I'm going to be using House of Lashes. So I'm putting on the lashes right now. Yeah, I basically got the lashes on. Again, this is the Lily Lashes in London. Like I said, I found this at Marshall's, and out of 5 stars, I'd give it a 3. This is what we have going on. It's not anything crazy, at least for me. So I do think that this is workable. I mean, I didn't have the worst time trying to blend out the eyeshadow, but I do think that, you know, if you're a beginner or you know you're trying to get into makeup, this palette might not be the best buy for you, although the colors are nice. But I think you should stick to something else like Morphe or just a different Anastasia palette, because they have a shit ton and the other ones are good. So face primers. So this is the First Lighting priming filter. It's purple, literally purple. It looks blue, but it's purple. And then you have a backlight priming filter. I really enjoy these. I've already tried this one and it was really good, but it's legit purple. So I'm just gonna apply this to my face, and it's super hydrating. I love Becca products. Becca Cosmetics. Next thing that I found, even better. I found the Marc Jacobs Seamless brush. This is the number 4 brush. I have been obsessed with this. So I use this with Stila Aqua Glow Foundation Tint Serum. So it's like a little serum foundation, and so it comes out in like a little pump. I got the color tan. Luckily I found a color that matches me because I feel like that's rare. So I found this one, it's tan. I'm gonna try this. I've already tried this, I lied. So I really like it. It's very thin, very skin-like, and very glowy, very hydrating. So if you are oily, I don't suggest this because your T-zone will be slick in a matter of hours. But me, I'm dry, very dry, so this is great for my skin because it keeps me hydrated and it doesn't like get into these cracks. What I've been doing is I put a drop here, and a baby drop here, and just like clean it off here. I'm just obsessed the way that this applies foundation. Like I can just get it, spread it evenly all over my face. like, I do my brows before my face, so I can, you know, I can apply my foundation and kind of carve out my brows without messing up my brows, because this brush is very fine and it's just really good. I don't think it buffs as well. It's not a buffing brush, but really to lay down the product that you want to use, foundation, anything liquid or cream. So next I'm taking a Morphe M439 brush, which is just a bigger buffing brush. To lay down that base, I go in with this brush and blend it, because I explained earlier, it's not a blending brush, it's more to just spread product and lay it on your face. And I like that because I get a nice even base, and then all I do with this is kind of just buff it into the skin. Also, this is a skin tint, so you can still see like my imperfections, which is fine with me. That's not really like a concern unless, you know, like, or just want fuller coverage. So I am okay with this coverage. It's a skin tint, just so you guys know. Using Born This Way in Sand. You guys are gonna get sick of me using this. The foundation is really good. It works with a few of the concealers that I've tried. Those are the Infallible Pro Glow. It's like the corresponding one to the Pro Glow foundation. Looking at my eyes and like the eyeshadow, it's actually really nice. I like the way that it kind of came out. Maybe it just looks like that when you first start and you're like, what the hell? But as I said, like you guys saw, I didn't spend 2 hours on this eyeshadow, but you know, I wasn't sitting there for 5 hours trying to blend, because it blended eventually. I just had to use a different brush. I had to kind of just figure out what works. And the rest I'm gonna apply to the rest of my face. Makeup wise, I think that's it. So the rest of my face is just gonna be normal. And it gave me life. That's what it needed, just that pop. Oh, I also got this Evian spray. This is the look. This is Marshall's Glam. Thank you for watching. Bye.